What is up, everybody? Super happy to be back today. Guys, I have a very different video for you guys today. I really think you're going to appreciate it. I hope I appreciate it. I hope I like it. Guys, I've saved an unboxing for you. This is a very interesting unboxing. As you guys might be aware, I've told you guys in the past, I love Tonal. Tonal is the best. Nothing tops Tonal. But in the case of any type of power outage, in the case of any type of failure coming from Tonal, because it is a machine, guys, we know that Tonal is amazing, but it's a machine. It will be susceptible, just like all gym technology is susceptible to failing at some point. A part might break, power might go out, you can't use Tonal, whatever the case might be. We know that these things happen, so we need to have backups, right? Now, when I first got Tonal, as I've told you guys in the past, I sold all my weights, and I was like, I'm never going to need these again. And so far, I haven't. I haven't needed anything again, and I'm grateful to say that. But we just know it's a matter of time. Something will break. And I hate to say it, but it's just a fact of life. Nothing lasts, right? So I recommended to you guys in plenty of other videos that you have a backup. I've recommended in the past, maybe having adjustable dumbbell set or something like that, just in the event that, you can't use your Tonal. Or if you're traveling, let's say you're traveling and you don't have Tonal, maybe you bring your adjustable dumbbells on a trip. You can do a lot with adjustable dumbbells, guys. The technology really is amazing. It's not something that I would shake my head at. Now, I've done a lot of research. Guys. I'm sure you can tell that I'm excited. I've been looking for quite some time for a specific type of gym equipment that I can use in the event of me not being able to use Tonal. And I'm hoping I found that. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, guys. We're going to be doing an unboxing on something that I have right over here. We're about to open this up on camera so I can show you exactly what you're getting. I believe this actually came from Spain, guys. I believe it came from Spain. It was not cheap. Let's get into it. Let me go pick it up and let me bring it over to the camera so I can explain to you what we're doing with this thing and what we're looking at. Alright, guys, so this is what we will be unboxing today. Now, as you can see, when I walked in the door, I slit the box open. That was because I was very excited to get it open, but I have not gone past this slit. I realized, Joe, what are you doing? You got to unbox this for your friends and your family over here on YouTube, right? So, we're going to be unboxing today the Handy Gym, guys. Now, before I unbox the Handy Gym, don't be afraid. Nothing tops Tonal, okay? But you got to have a backup. Now, before we unbox the Handy Gym, why did I choose the Handy Gym? All right, I wanted something that had the capability of having very heavy weight. I wanted something that had the capability of having a small footprint. I wanted something that had the capability of being lightweight so I can carry it around in case I needed to, travel with it or something of those sorts. I wanted something that was versatile, something that can work out my entire body. And guys, you have a couple of options when it comes to this on the market, right? You got adjustable dumbbells. You can do a lot with those. You got the X3, the bands, right? The exercise bands. But guys, I don't particularly like exercise bands. But I wanted something that had eccentric, right? So I'm not going to choose Max Pro, right? I'm not going to choose the Max Pro because that doesn't have eccentric. Even though it's portable, it doesn't have eccentric. Exercise bands have eccentric, but they're exercise bands. I don't particularly like them. Even the X3, they're heavy-duty exercise bands, but that's all they are exercise bands, right? The website makes a ton of claims when it comes to those. A lot of the claims aren't justifiable, in my opinion. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I didn't want the exercise bands. I didn't want the adjustable dumbbells necessarily, but they would have been a good option. They would have been my next choice. But instead, I got the Handy Gym, guys. The Handy Gym, in case you are not familiar, it's Flywheel Technology, all right? So it uses inertia in order to give you a weight, in order to give you some form of a tension, right? So I'm not going to get into the science, but I'll link it up at the end to show you what website I got it from. Guys, this was not expensive. No, it was expensive. Guys, this was expensive. It was expensive. It was expensive. It was a lot more expensive than adjustable dumbbells, let me tell you. But I thought it would be worth it. Because when I look at something, I look at the big picture, right? I've been working out since I was a kid. I want versatility. When I bought Tonal, I said to myself, Tonal's expensive, but it is a full gym on your wall with zero footprint, right? Well, from what I understand, the Handy Gym will be a full gym in your hand. Nice and portable, but a full gym experience in your hand that is super handy, super lightweight. You can carry it around. That's something that all the other stuff on the market, in my opinion, doesn't give you. Exercise bands, yeah, fine, all right, no problem. You can kind of get that, but still, I don't believe they're as versatile as this machine will be. I've never used this machine, but we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it. Flywheel Technology. Let's open up this box. So when you first open up the box, it makes you super excited, right? Get ready. Your experience starts here. Handy Gym. Now, this thing came from Spain where it was manufactured. Guys, I ordered this thing like less than a week ago. You can't really complain, right? It's coming from Spain less than a week ago. You got the pandemic. Not bad, right? I mean, for Tonal, you're going to be waiting months, right? So, this thing came real quick. You don't need any professional installer for this thing, right? Let's check this out. Never seen this before in my life, guys. It was just one of the packages that you can buy from Handy Gym. There's a few different packages. I'm not going to get into the details because, quite honestly, there's a website that'll explain it better than me. And I will link it up. It'll be in the description. Okay? But there's 3 different packages, I believe. I got the most expensive package because, as I mentioned, guys, I'm a lifelong workout addict, right? This is something that I want in my life. I know that I will use this if it is good, if it works the way it's intended, if the claims that it talks about are not false. I plan on keeping this, and it should work for a very long time without giving me issues as a backup for Tonal, okay? So let's open up this box. Maybe I should put it down. I got the most expensive package because it comes with the most accessories. This thing I think costs, I might be off, but I think it costs between $1,300 and $1,500 bucks. All right? It's a lot of money. But apparently, is it a lot of money when you can train whenever you want, wherever you want? No, not in my opinion. So it is expensive, but if those claims are true, it's completely worth it for me. Something that is a downside when it comes to Tonal, as you all might know, is you can't train anywhere you want. You can't train whenever you want because it's not portable. I really don't know how much they're going to charge you to move it. But at the end of the day, you have to pay to move it. Whether it's 2 feet or 2 inches, you got to pay to have it taken off your wall and put it back on. It's one of the downsides that we're all aware of, right? If you watch this channel, you know that this is a downside. Now, coming up in the future, guys, this is just the unboxing, but coming up in the future, I am going to be using this machine. I'm going to be talking about this machine. I'm talking about the Handy Gym. I'm going to be comparing it to Tonal. I'm going to be telling you about what Flywheel Technology is because I never heard of it before until I did some research. This is pretty awesome if it works as intended, okay? The package that I got has about 200 pounds worth of weight, okay? That's pretty awesome. Same as Tonal, right? 200 pounds. It has eccentric, not an eccentric mode, but it does have the capability of having eccentric, unlike something like the Max Pro, okay? Now, along with this package, this expensive package that I bought, came a ton of accessories, all right? I'll get into the accessories in the future. Right now, I kind of want to just focus on this, the actual machine itself, because quite honestly, after this video, I'm going to hop onto Tonal. Today's my back day, all right? So I'm going to do back on Tonal, and I want to get to that, but I just got out of work, came home, saw this, and I was like, all right, I got to show my peeps this. So I know you guys will appreciate it. All right, some straps. This machine, as you guys will see from the website once you get on it, because I'm sure you're going to check it out, you got some ankle straps and stuff like this. This machine is supposed to be able to allow you to work out anywhere you want, which is pretty awesome. So if you're on a trip, you can work out at your hotel. Don't open it the way I just opened it. All right. If you're at work, in the office, you can bring it to your office. You can work out, you know, there. All right, so this is it. This is it, guys. This is the Handy Gym, all right? Now, it doesn't look too impressive, and honestly, it looks confusing. But from the videos that I've seen, it is quite impressive. From the videos I've seen, it's not that hard to use. I'm not going to be teaching you how to use this. Maybe in a future video I will. I simply wanted to unbox it, show you that I have it. I will come back to you guys with another video explaining how to use it, showing you how to use it. I'm going to break it down for you guys. I'm going to break it down because I know that this is another piece of technology that seems pretty amazing, and hopefully it is. But so this is what the Handy Gym is. And the reason why it's called the Handy Gym, these are the weight discs, right? Comes with different colored discs. Up to 200 pounds of weight, right? Which is amazing. If the claims are true, And the reason why it's so handy, guys, is all these accessories, every single one of these accessories, even with the package, sorry, I'm like talking to the floor over here. Even with the package that I bought with the ton of accessories that it comes with, it fits into this little bag, right? So you can just carry this thing around. You could just quite literally carry around a full-blown gym, basically, which is why it costs so much money. So, guys, the Handy Gym, it's coming in some upcoming videos. Expect a review on it. Expect me to explain about it. Expect a lot. I look forward to testing this thing out, seeing if it's worth it. It's got a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not, you better know that I'm going to be sending it back, because the last thing I want to do is spend however much it was, between $1,300 and $1,500 on something that, you know, quite honestly is not worth it for me or worth it for my style of exercise, okay? So, look forward to talking to you guys in an upcoming video. Be safe. Catch you all soon. Get ready for that Handy Gym stuff, guys. I got to get to my back workout on Tonal right now, all right? Be safe. Talk to you soon, and I'll catch you all at the next video.